You're welcome to Loc Life with Lola Classic, and if you're new here, this is the channel where I am documenting my locks in a starter phase. I am currently 6 months locked and I'm trying to figure it out every step of the way. And if you're someone like me who just have their starter locks, we can do this together. So today I'm going to be sharing 5 things that happens after you get locks, or will I say after you get locked in. Before we get into the video, if you have not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. So let's get right into it. The 5 things that happens after you get your starter locks. So one is how tender-headed you get. No one tells you that. No one tells you that you're going to get so tender-headed and every little thing hurts. Your scalp hurts. If you try to manipulate your head too much, it hurts. So I am telling you that today. If no one has told you, or you're looking to get locks, or you already have locks, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. Oh, it's a struggle, and like we're overcoming it. Maybe because we don't manipulate the hair all the time. That's why. Because I've been trying to think about why we get tender-headed. You know. The second one is low maintenance. Okay, so I think everybody lied. All people that said that locks is low maintenance, I think they actually lied. And if you're looking to get locks, I am telling you the truth. Just take it from me, telling you the truth and being sincere, being honest. Locks is not low maintenance at all. You have to be intentional about it. You have to put in your head, your mind, your body and soul in growing your locks. Leave them alone or let them do their own thing, but you have to care for them. I have not seen anything in this life that if you don't care for, it would flourish. I've never seen. Same as your locks. So it is not low maintenance. I would even say it's really high maintenance because you need to check them, you need to be careful, you need to wear your bonnet, you need to do this, you need to oil them, you need to hydrate and all that. It is that simple, but it is not low maintenance. Anyone who said that, they really actually lied to us. I thought it was low maintenance before I locked my hair, but right now, that's a lie. So the third one is the fact that you have to wear bonnet all the time, like because you don't want lint entering your hair. You turn to a bonnet girl. I don't used to be a bonnet girl. I don't like bonnets. I don't like bonnets actually. Even silk scarves, I don't like them. But right now I become so cautious, like even to lay my head on something, I'm like, okay, where's the scarf? Where's my bonnet? I can't lay, you know. People really need to talk about that. How you turn to a bonnet girl. Every day you wear bonnets, actually. Except the only time I don't wear bonnets is when I'm going out. When I'm home, I wear my bonnets all the time. Okay, and I'm not wearing bonnets right now because I'm making a video for you because I want you to see my locks and how they are flourishing. So no one tells you that you turn to a bonnet girl or you turn to a bonnet guy. Actually, you turn to a scarf guy because you always need to cover your hair to prevent your hair from lint. The fourth one is the ugly face. Okay, so I feel like a lot of people actually battle with that face. I'm just going to say a little of my story. So when I locked my hair, I did not expect that it would look that way. It was really tiny. I didn't know if I really loved them. I would say I hated them, but I did not know if I really loved the locks at that point. Especially the first month, I was covering my hair with scarves and wigs. I wasn't proud of it. There's something about you believing that you're beautiful from within. Do you understand? And I just felt like it was really an ugly thing on my head. Like an ugly thing on my head. I was like, okay, did I really make the right decision? That's what the ugly face does to you. Like, there's something it does. It makes you to start doubting. I will also talk about somebody's experience too. Like my mom, we locked our hair the same period. And she really dislike her locks. She really dislike her locks. She cannot even rock it. Like me, I already have my confidence right now. From the second month, I started rocking my locks the way they are. Like, right, I can't even remember the last time I wore a wig. I think it's been like 4 months ago I wore a wig on this hair. I have been working in different styles. I've been doing my thing. I've been so confident with it. I don't really care, you know. And I feel like it's so beautiful. It's already becoming a part of me, and I'm embodying it. Do you understand? So my mom really dislike her locks because it's in its ugly face, and she just feels like she's not confident enough to rock it. And I keep on telling her, I think right now she's having this confidence. I keep on telling her, is when you leave it, that's when you start becoming confident. And that's what I did. I left it alone. I didn't wear wigs anymore, and I started liking it. So if you are in that ugly phase, or you don't know there's ugly face of locks before you get locked, it's not for the weak. you need to be very, it's a lot of inner work it does to you. So you know, there's ugly face. The first 5 months, I can't even be the first 6 months, you might not like your locks on your head at all. It's later on you might start loving it. So yes, no one tells us that the ugly face happens after we get locked. Okay, so the 5th one is what Locs does to you. Like, it's not a great journey, and I must confess that it has really like changed me since when I got my locks. I've actually learned to love myself and love myself for everything that I am, because this is my natural hair. This is my hair growing on my head. It is not something extension, it's not something attached, it's not something, you know, it is me. And me looking at the way the beauty standard has been so hard on we Black people. It can be so hard for you to like navigate into the old lock community thing and embody your locks, because you've been used to the old kind of beauty standard where you have to relax your hair and put in extensions and all that. It was really it took me a while for me to adjust. I am not a patient person. I must say, I don't like slow things. I don't like slow people. Anything that can make me do something swiftly, I will do it. So me having my locks has actually taught me to be calm and trust the process. Every day I know that I am giving to this locks and it's giving back to me, and that is beautiful. This is not the way it was. I started 6 months ago, right? And I can see the progress, I can see the length, I can see the beauty, I can see the I don't even know how to express it again. Do you understand? It has taught me to be patient, and I am learning to love myself for all that I am and all that I have. Those are the 5 things that happens after you get locks. So if no one told you that today, I am telling you that as your little gossip partner, you should know that if you've not gotten your starter locks yet, you know that now. And if you've got your starter locks, you understand that it's not just you. I guess you have been experiencing that. It's not just you. We are all here together. I have experienced that too. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Turn your notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video. Like, comment, and share. Bye for now. This is the Your Loc Life with Lola Classic.